Hello again YouTube, RC Neil here again, and today we've got a bunch of 3D printed bits, can just say bits, scattered on my desk. And what this should be when it's fully assembled, it should be a Tamiya flatbed trailer that I'm building for my King Hollow. And this video, I'm gonna do a time lapse on this video because the parts are 3D printed. It's not readily available to buy. I'm not gonna do like an exclusive build video on this. Just gonna do a time lapse to see how far I can get with whatever, with the bits and bobs that I've got, and how much can we get done. These are the right side of the chassis. Sorry, these are the left side of the chassis. I've already separated them, and you know what these are? Mud guards. These are also 3D printed shocks. You have to put them together so it prints like this, one piece, and then two another small bits and bobs, and then you've got here, you assemble these with a tiny screw. These are the leaf springs. I've actually printed one of these in TPU, which is a bit flexy. Yeah, that's TPU. So speaking of TPU, so we'll get back to that. This is a tire that I built, printed from TPU using a Tamiya wheel bearing, well, bushing, and came out pretty darn good, pretty good for the truck. And check this out, super soft. I reckon I could use this. Look at that. I reckon I could use this on one of my crawlers. It's very soft. And yeah, back to the truck. These are the rear axles. I need to buy the M5 studs for that. These I reckon are gonna be the brace that goes across the bed. That is the bed. That's the head of the bed. This is a kingpin section bit, and as I said before, right chassis. And these are the wheel trucks and truck mounts or storage, and these are the rest of the bushings. I haven't printed the rear wheels for it yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this size tire or I'm going to do a slightly bigger tire, but I'm going to print the tire in TPU, same quality. I'm going to do silver rims as well. Silver rims are grey. I might use my I might do white rims like what I did. I've done here, so I might do white rims and paint it, or I might just buy grey filament and just print it. Speaking of wheels, these are some bits and bobs I've printed, and this is the rear wheel, the double wheels for the flatbed that I'm building. Look, super soft, very soft. These tires are so soft. These are extra tires. I have my mates printing one of these. Bit hard, but okay. And yep, these are just a few bits that I've printed. Links for these, some of these stuff can be found, will be available in the description. Definitely the link for this jack will be in the description. It is a fully functional jack axle stand. Sorry, not jack, axle stand. Oh, I think I'm tired. Fully functional axle stand. You pull it up, locks into place, and then you pull it up, pull the handle up, and it falls down. Yep, so without any further ado, oh yeah, you might see this one. This is a shelf I'm printing. The shelf bits are currently in printing now, and I've got the new Bambu Lab A1 printer, which is amazing, and printing white. Yep, so as I said before, yep, without further ado, I'm gonna cue the music. I'm gonna do all this in time lapse to see how far I can get. Stay tuned.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
While building, realized I didn't add any center brace for the chassis. So I went ahead and I just modified a center bit, printed one, and I'm gonna have to drill the holes manually. Right? But this is gonna be the center brace, because I noticed that this bit is firm and it's okay. That's the kingpin section, but the rest of it was a bit wonky. So I just had to reprint one center brace for the middle, and then that showed all the front, the middle, and also the back together. And then I've, in the interim time, a few well-needed screws, screw kits have been delivered by Amazon. So that's what I'm using. It's M3, so I think I'm gonna use most of the M3 by 12 and M3 by 16 on this build. Yep, let's cue the music again and
we're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Flatbed partially complete. These haven't screwed in yet. These go on top of the bed itself, form like a firm base but it's just a mock-up look. Apart from that, everything else is done. The chassis is finished, and as you can see, axles are finished, and yep. And at the moment I'm just printing the wheels. So these are being printed at the moment. TPU. How many hours sleeve? Says 5 hours 14 minutes. And that is just 4 weeks. It takes 8 hours to print 4. So it's gonna be 16 hours to print the complete 8, and then I'm gonna print the rims. This let's see how soft that is. Super soft. So I'm gonna print the rims next, the rest of the rims. And yeah, that's it. Apart from that, I'm gonna need a 5mm M5 threaded nut stud for the axles, and that's it. I'm gonna use these motorized jack. So these motorized jacks are gonna go here. Obviously, oops, everything is collapsing. Oh. Yep. Obviously, it's gonna be a lot higher, and then these are gonna go sit here, and then it's gonna have those motorized legs. Apart from that, it's done. Trying to find where I put the lenses for these. I don't know where I put the lenses. But yeah, if you need the link, if you've got a 3D printer, you need a link to print your own. The link will be in the description. And for the axle stands, if you need axle stands to purchase, these are gonna be link will also be in the description. These are functional axle stands, so if I lift it up, it's gonna collapse. See? Hold it on. So these are function axle stands. Links for these will be in the description as well. And as usual, guys, like, subscribe for the video. If you need more of these videos, subscribe, like, leave the comments. Peace out, love.